All right, so from the main page, as an administrator, you're going to want to go in and do some reviewing of some things and make sure things are set up correctly. So let's go in underneath the Administrative tab, and where I really want you to look at is in this Schools section. These are all the schools that are in your district. This is the address, the phone numbers, their codes, etc. You can pretty much look at it and go through the phone area and make sure that those are the accurate phone numbers. Another great place to look at that is to actually go in and look at the school itself. So in this case, I want to go into A school. That's the name of the school, A school. And that takes us to all of the information that you can edit. So from here you could change the type of school that it is if it's the wrong school. But what you really want to look at here is that you have the address correct as well as the phone number. What you need to do on each and every one of your schools in your district is copy this phone number, copy it, and then just paste it in the caller ID section. After you do that, you want to make sure that you always update the database. The whole point of this is to make sure that when the telephone rings with that text message in it or that voice message in it giving the parent the code, that it actually is coming from the school. It appears to be coming from the school that the student attends. So you'll want to go into each of the schools and make sure that you copy the phone number, the accurate phone number, and then paste it in the caller ID section, as well as click Update the Database. Let's go back to Administrator again. Let's take a look at the schools. And in this case, you would want to go through all of these schools and make sure that you have the caller ID. This way, when the parent receives their code to be able to access their student files, it will come from the school that the student attends. So that's the first thing that administrators need to do.